So I want to go to the last row, go to the last row in with VBA. How can do it? So I have write the two way. First, range A1. A1, it means go to the A1 dot and press the control and the down arrow dot select dot select. So this code, you just write here, go to the last row of the data. Last row of the data. Your data will be shorter, longer is not don't worry. So you have go to the last row of your data. Okay. But problem is that some blank cell in your data, some blank cell in your data that time have a problem. Right, sir? No, use range it means selecting the all data. I want to go to the last row in my only for one column. So that time we have write the same code but some difference. We have write the range A65,000 या 10 lakh dot and go to the XLS up XLS up dot select dot select. So it means first go to the A65 row या 10 lakh. Okay, it means go to the last cell of your Excel. Now we have pressed the control and up arrow. Your cursor go to up and stop your last data, last fill cell, last fill cell. Okay, but I want to not a last fill cell. I want to last the next blank cell. It means here because I want to type here something. So I want to go to the next blank cell. So that time we have used the offset the row and column. So we have write the row number one and column number zero. It means same column. Then select. So now this line go to the last row of your data. So do you understand the Excel and method and offset method? Any problem? Okay. So I have write the sum code here. I want to apply the sum formula the last row. Okay, in the last of my data. I want to apply the sum formula last of my data. So that time, first go to the last of the formula. So going to last of formula, we are using this code. Now we write the active cell, active cell dot value equal to, we have write the here inverted comma equals sum. My data start from the A1, write the A1, A1 to A, and we have concate active cell dot row. That again concate and close the bracket. Do you understand, sir? Because I want to write here formula like that is sum and select the all data. But problem is that I want to my data start from A and only for A column. But I don't want to 16 because 16 is the dynamic. Every time will be changed. Sometime 20, sometime 25, sometime 30, sometime 10. So we have right here, yeah, right, minus, sorry, there's a row minus one, row minus one. So it means where we have applied the formula and that row number less than one row number. So we have minus one. You can see it. Okay. A16, dynamically A16 will be picked. Okay. If we have increased my data, if my increase my data, so that time you can see automatically go to the 21, 20 and 21, 20. So do you know active cell? It means active cell. It means understand. You first run this formula. For run this code, this code go to the last of the row. Okay. And active cell it means row. So which your active cell row number picked. Just like 21. But I want to less than 1. So we have multiply here, minus here, and concate with this formula. Understand, sir?
A1, A means what? A1 I understand. It is
I want to just I want to here A1 to A1 to A20. Okay? Like that. So active cell dot row give only for 20. If you not
okay.
give the A, the formula right here A1 to 20. This is the wrong formula. If you write here, you write here is sum and select the data and you write here only for A20. So your formula will be wrong, not applied. So need to A here. Yeah, need to type A here, A20. So active cell give only for 20, not A20.
Hmm.
Got, got it?
Okay.
Okay. So now,
So A and we are concave number.
yeah, A conquer
Right.
the number, right? Right.
Okay. -1, why we are having?
Active cell give the order 21, but I want to apply the formula at 21, but give the reference below of the 21. Understand?
You want to apply in 21.
I
Okay.
I I have
Start
I want to apply the formula at 21. So we have give the active cell dot value, and but I give the reference above of the 20 of above of the 20 of. So need to minus 1 because I give here 21. So give the circular reference because you can't give reference the same formula where you applied and where you give the reference. So if you write here A121, the 20 also picked. This is wrong. I want to pick only for 20. Okay. So we have minus 1, row minus 1. The active cell give the 21, but I want to 20. So we have minus 1 and get the 20.
Oh,
Understand? Hmm. Now I don't want to apply the formula at below. I want to apply formula in a column B. Okay?
okay.
So we have two way. First, right here, RR2, bracket open, close, and we have write the formula range B1 dot value, and I want to apply the formula equal A1 multiplied by 220. Okay. So I want to when you run this macro, so you can see here right here formula. Okay. Now copy this formula. So we write here range B1 dot copy, B1 dot copy. So run this macro. So let's apply the formula and copy. Now I want to go to the last here. Here I want to go to the last data to next column, right? So we have right here code range A 65,000 dot and accelerates up dot offset. But I don't want to below of the row. I want to same row, same 20 row. Okay, but next column. So we have right here a row as a zero because same column we are right here zero for column. So now we have write the 0 for row and write the type the 1 dot select. So this code go to the first below of the data, below of the sheet, go to the XLS up, last of the data, and offset, just press the single arrow and get to the next column. Right? Now I want to select I want to press the control shift up arrow and select the all data continuously to my to till my formula, the upside. Okay. So that time I have told you ki when you want to select anything, we have write the like add. It's like A1 comma A20 like that. Okay, dot select. Okay, sir. Okay. So we write here range A1. It means the rest of the A1 we have used the active cell. Okay, so active cell and the last of the data. So I have right here, you go to the active cell dot and XLS up. Okay, now select. So in the range have a two for starting and ending. Starting is the active cell. Starting is the active cell and ending is the so active cell give the first go to the up and give the a B1. Okay. So now when you type your formula, you can see it, your formula will be selected. Okay. Data will be selected. Now I want to just paste. So we have right here active sheet dot paste because paste is the part of the sheet, not a range. So we have just click here, run here. You can see it. The formula will be applied. Any problem? We can write the also the another method. You can write the also with another method. So same, we don't want to copy, okay, and don't want to paste and don't want to select. We are right here just fill down. Fill down, it means control D. So this code run, we first apply the code here, apply the formula, just like 20, and this this code is go to the last of the data and this code go to the next of your data. Okay, and don't select, just control D for the fill down. Okay, just control D, it means fill down, no need to copy paste. So with this method we have removed the two line. Okay, so this method with copy paste method we have the 5 line of the code, but fill down method we have only for the 3 line of the code. Understand? So now need to do some project. So I have shared the some uh, formula, some questions about that. Okay, you have solve or send me.